Friday morning, we're going to do our East Coast swing. We had a lot of fun with that. East Coast swing is really important to understand, and the timing of it. The 1 and 2, the 1 and quarter notes, eighth notes, but it's just take your time on your 2, 4, and you're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and it just makes that dance a little bit easier because it's a fast dance. Rotational dance, lots of fun, lots of power. So what we did in the class was, we did a basic on the spot, triple step, rock. 2 turning basics, where the man goes, then the lady goes. Man goes,
turn, she does a quarter turn in rotation.
Then we did a tuck out. And then we kind of straightened ourselves out a little bit and we elongated, and we're now going to kind of run in a slide.
Oh. One of the most important things is for me to lead this compression away. I go to compression in the hand. It doesn't look like I'm there because it looks like I'm tethered away. I compress with the hand and we lead the rock.
Rock, step, triple. Rock, step, triple. Rock, step, triple. Rock, step, triple, then we're out. Rock, step, back to close, triple step, stop there. So the count on that is what we call a Lindy count. And this was the rock step from what we were doing, and the count would be 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then we're ready to start with our normal count again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6.
It's finished.
Again, this dance is dance from the balls of your feet. Use the large muscles in your legs, and you want to cushion with your knees, and your ankles, and your hips.
Want to show the variation?
And the variation.
We stayed on the same side, but I can go behind on the first triple, and then I can go in front on the second triple. And we repeat. Now, on the second triple, for her, I can spin her behind me and pick her up. So there's a couple of different variations there from that basic pattern.
Just keep your eyes on them, ladies. You never know.
You never know.
Okay, awesome.